अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट, हाउ आर यू? आई होप तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हूंदा। हाणे असां ॾींदासीं पंहिंजे 4.61 A poem, A mountain and a squirrel खे हिकिड़ी इंग्लिश में रीडिंग जेके तव्हां गौर सां ॿुधंदा ऐं सम्झण जी कोशिशि कंदा। First of all, we start from here. A mountain was saying this to a squirrel. Commit suicide if you have self-respect. You are insignificant till so arrogant. How strange. You are neither wise nor intelligent, not even shrewd. It is strange when the insignificant pose as important. When the stupid ones like you pose as intelligent, you are no match in comparison with my splendor. Even the earth is low compared with my splendor. The grandeur of mine does not fall to you, Lord. The poor animal cannot equal the great mountain. On hearing this, the squirrel said, "Hold your tongue. There are immature thoughts. Expel them from your heart. I do not care if I am not large like you. You are not a little thing like me." Everything shows the omnipotence of God. Some large, some small, is the wisdom of God. He has created you large in the world, and He has taught me climbing large trees. You are unable to walk a single step. Only large size. What other greatness have you? If you are large, show me some of the skills I have. Show me how you break this betel nut as I can. Nothing is sunless in this world. Nothing is bad in God's creation. अल्लामा इकबाल पोयम पहाड़ और गुलहरी।